the next day and we are on the way to Heavenly Studio, Cebu. So, yung studio nila nasa may tabi ng Park Mall, yung Maru Arcade, right beside where you get your license. So, ayun, we're on the way there. So, hindi pa to yung susuotin ni Mav, obviously. Ayan. Gustong-gusto niya naka-open tong sunroof. Say hi! Hi, Papas! Ang cute niya the other day. Naka-video lang ako sa phone. Tapos, siguro sanay siya na nakikita ako na nakikipag-video chat or video. Tapos, ayun, pag nakikita niya yung camera, nagsasalita din siya. So, our shoot is at 10 a.m. pa. It's currently 9:20. And nasa may CCLEX na kami. So, may time pa naman. But, yeah. Mav and I will also be having a picture together. Kaya naka-ready din ako. So, ayun. Let's see. Hopefully, everything goes well. Sana good mood siya mamaya. Hopefully, good mood naman siya. Di naman siya iyakin type of baby. So, ayun. Say hello, baba. Gustong gusto niya naka-open yung sunroof. Hello. Oh. So ayun, yun lang guys. We'll see you when we get to the studio. Ito yung crew natin for today. So we have Lolo Ambet. Say hi. Say hello. You have Lolo Ambet. You have Ate Melen. Ate Melen, say hi. Pakita, dire kay sayang imong lipstick na pink. Pagtangtang sa ugmas, kay sayang imong lipstick. And then we have Ate Norma. Yan. Uy, ka-artist ay mga hain niyo ba? So, ito yung crew natin for today's photo shoot. So, para maano si Mab, para maaliw siya mamaya. Ngayong oras kasi usually tulog siya. So, ayaw niya matulog ngayon. Kaya, sana hindi siya umiyak mamaya. But, malapit na kami. Andito na kami guys. So, ayun lang yung Park Mall. So, harap mismo ng Park Mall. So, the studio is above Palawan Pawn Shop. Second floor. Nantok si Mab. Perfect. Okay, naani. Baby, nandito yung camera.
I cried.
Alata ba na try? Baby, look! Bamba! Mama! Ale naman. Ame! Ame na! Ame! Pwede na siya igawas-gawas ang taon. It's 5 minutes. Kapit ka sa top.
Ano yan?
Ay. So currently at Din Tai Fung, and as you can see, good mood na yung boss natin. Kasi nakatulog siya ng probably mga 10 minutes siguro sa studio. Thank you.
Brown sugar pearl milk, ma'am. Thank you. Nalinis ito, ma'am. Kayo po sa flavor. Thank you.
Apel na tagpunan.
Hi guys, so it's a couple of days na actually since the last clip, and I think yung last na video ko was yung photo shoot for Mav's 6th month mark. So it's actually tomorrow. This is October 9. Today is October 9, 2025, and bukas marks my 6 months postpartum and 6 months din ni Mav dito sa mundo. So, that's what we will celebrate tomorrow. And ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung asaan ngayon yung mga CCTV. Kasi I think last time hindi ko napakita sa inyo. But, so yung isang CCTV ay nandito. So, this is the living room area. Majority of the day, nandito din si Mav. And yung isa neto is nasa baba lang sa may dining area. Okay, ayan. So, balik, tatlo na yung camera ko. Yung isang camera ko that's for my room is actually in the next room beside kasi sira yung aircon sa room ko. Kaya, we haven't been sleeping here for the past ilang days na. So, ayun, yun lang yung update. And hindi ko kasi I forgot to make an outro dun sa last vlog ko. I thought I had an outro, pero wala pala when I was editing it. So I'm gonna continue this vlog till tomorrow when Mav turns 6 months. So, yun lang. Right now, I'm just watching YouTube and just de-stressing. So, ayan. I'll catch you guys later.